Good extracapsular cataract extraction, including phacoemulsification, requires there should be a thorough cortical cleanup. At times we have few specks of cortex which are sticking to the posterior capsule, and it makes it difficult and risky to remove them. However, I will describe here a very simple technique before implanting the IOL. When injecting viscoelastic, we can blast these cortical fibers just like that, and this is much safer. And apart from having a clear media, polishing away these fibers and cells also makes sure that there is least possibility of having a posterior capsular opacification. This is one of the safe techniques, and I would encourage all the learners to use this to remove those specks of cortex and cells which cannot be removed safely using irrigation aspiration cannula.